Get great values on some of our newest models.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County, northwestern Randolph County, south central St. Clair County, southeastern Jefferson County, northwestern St. Genevieve County until 11:45 p.m. At 10:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Festus and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reporting 55 miles per hour winds. The following impacts are expected: minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Herculaneum, Crystal City, Waterloo, Redbud, Valmeyer, New Design, Evansville, Harrisonville, Charlton Bridge, Monroe City, Madonnaville, Foster Pond, Mays-Town, Fulton, Wartburg, Burkesville, Renault, Prairie du Rocher, and Ames. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Monroe, Randolph, and St. Clair, and the following counties in Missouri: Jefferson and St. Genevieve.